In this video, we'll show you how to create the 2024 recap trend and make viral videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok. As the year comes to an end, these 2024 recap videos are trending across TikTok and Instagram Reels. Here's how to do it. First, ensure you have the TikTok and CapCut apps installed on your device. If you don't have CapCut, head to the App Store or Google Play Store to download and install it. It's free and available for both iOS and Android. Now open TikTok and go to the search bar. Type in 2024 recap. This will show you various videos using the 2024 recap template. Select a video with the desired recap style and look for the CapCut. Try this template button. Tap it, then select Use Template in CapCut. CapCut will load the template, giving you a preview of how it looks. Tap Use Template again, and your photo gallery will open. Here, you can choose up to 60 photos and videos to include. Remember, the first photo or video will last about 4 to 5 seconds and serve as the cover of your recap, so pick carefully. Once your media is selected, tap the Preview button. CapCut will generate your recap video. If you're happy with the result, tap Export and choose whether to save it to your gallery or share it directly to TikTok. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out my TikTok Trends playlist linked in the video description for more ideas. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.